Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be swatching some Kiko lip glosses for y'all. They're actually like my absolute favorite lip glosses of all time. I have 6 of them so far and I just like really love them because first of all, they are actually moisturizing. They don't really feel that sticky on the lip, and even the ones with glitter are not like chunky or anything like that. It's just like the texture is just perfection for me. And they don't have a weird taste or that weird smell that some lip glosses have, which is why I love them and I keep buying them and I will keep buying them. Anyways, let's get right into it. The first shade I'll be swatching is number 20. This one is actually the first lip gloss from Kiko that I bought like ever. I bought it back in 2020. It's about to be done, so I need to re-up, but it's so perfect and amazing. If you look at it, it's like the perfect nude shade. You can wear it on its own, but I prefer to pair it with a brown lip liner. So this is number 20. As you can see, it is like the perfect my lip but better lip gloss. And just picture this with a brown lip liner. Usually I paired with the brown lip liner from NYX. It is called Brown and it's like the perfect match. But oh, just look at this. Perfect. So the next shade I'll be swatching is number 17, which is another one of my favorites, Everyday Nude. This one is a bit more pink than number 17. Than number 20. And it has more glitter than this one. So I'll be swatching this. Ooh, just look so cute. And with all my Kiko lip glosses, I usually do 1 to 2 press around. Sometimes, most of the time, 1 just like pass through on my lips is enough. But sometimes when I want to be extra and want it to be even more pigmented, I add another coat. So this is number 17. Okay, so the next shade is number 22. I said that all of them are my favorites, but to be honest, I think this one's like my favorites of favorites. It is the perfect pink lip gloss. It is a dark pink and with a bit of glitter, and whenever I put it on, I just feel like I just need to be outside. Like I need to be outside somewhere in the sun with a cocktail or like in a lounge, all dressed up, looking cute. Like let me just try it on and you'll see what I mean. Ooh, Lord, yes. Ooh, just look. And this is only 1 coat. This number 22. Like, you see what I mean? Like, I need to be outside. Now I feel like I have to go outside. Okay, so I have 3 more shades. And the next one will be number 10, which is actually a new one from Kiko. I think they just brought it out last month or 2 months ago. So yeah, it is like the perfect also Barbie pink lip gloss. It is not that bright of a pink, but it is brighter than the other ones that I swatched, and it also has glitters. Like all of them have glitter, to be honest, but I just love this one. Usually I don't really go like this bright of a pink, especially with like lip glosses. Like this shade is just perfect. Ooh, see how intense it is? Yeah. So that's 1 coat. I'm gonna put the rest just like on the other side of the wand. So this is just 1 coat, as I said, and these Kiko lip glosses are so freaking pigmented, and they only retail for about $10/10 euros, which is very affordable, especially like for what it is. You're a Black woman, looking for a pink gloss but don't want to go too bright, I think this is like the perfect middle ground for you. And just look, it looks so cute and you can wear it either during the daytime or even at night. So I have 2 more shades to swatch for you guys, and you need to have some confidence to wear these, especially number 15, which as you can see, it is a strawberry red lip gloss. First of all, I bought this because I was just like, I need a red lip gloss. I don't know why, but like I was in the phase where I was just like, I need a red lip gloss. And shockingly enough, brands don't really do red lip glosses. I was able to find some at Sephora from the Sephora brand, but other than that, like I had a hard time like finding red lip glosses until I found this. And when I saw that, I was just like, oh, need it. But guys, it is quite bright. So yeah, look at it. Okay, so this number 15, just look at how pigmented and intense it is. This is just one coat, you guys, one coat of the lip gloss, and just look how opaque and pigmented it is. I'm telling you, you need it in your life. I know that some people are kind of like wary with like red lipsticks, let alone a red lip gloss, but I'm telling you, this one is perfect and it will suit a wide range of skin tones because it is blue toned. And why else should you get this shade? It will give you that color smile look. Okay, get this one. Okay, so last but not least is number 16. I was kind of worried before getting this shade because when you look at it through the packaging, it looks like a metallic red, and I never do like chrome or metallic lips. It's just like not my thing. I never got into that trend, which is why I was kind of surprised when I actually got this shade. But I swatched it on my wrist in stores and it looks so beautiful. I was like, oh, okay, just put it in my cart, I'm gonna buy it. But it is, as I said, it's a red, but it is so much more subtle than the one I just swatched. And let me just show y'all how it looks. So this is the shade number 16, and as you can see, it is much more of a brownish red color, and it is so much more subtle than the other red that I just swatched for you guys, which is perfect for daytime and nighttime. And the other thing that I really appreciate is that even though it looks chrome in the packaging, it doesn't really swatch the same on your lip. Okay, so I just swatched all the Kiko 3D Hydra lip glosses that I own. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite shade, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!